Hello, I'm Bright Okereke. I've invested and helped people invest over 300 million into the Nigerian real estate market. And today, you're about to watch the most important video on investing. Listen to me. The most important video you ever watch on investing. I want to talk to you on how you should invest. Now, a lot of people are under pressure to invest. Like, I get a lot of people DM me and they're like, Bright, I have 30K and I want to invest in real estate. Yeah, do invest in real estate. Bright, I just saved 100,000 and I want to start investing. In your head, 100,000 sounds like a lot of money, but it's not. Like, if I tell those people now that, oh, we are giving 30% interest, they'll be like, that's too small. No. The interest is not too small. Your money is too small. Because by the time you take 30% of 100,000 naira, it's just 30,000. What can that do for you? But if I told you I'm giving 30% and you're giving me 100 million, that's 30 million naira, and that is a lot of money. By the time you look at 30 million can fund an average Nigerian's life for a year comfortably. In fact, you'll be a baller. So today I'm going to teach you on how to invest. I'm going to be teaching you 3 things you invest in and when you can invest in those things. So number 1 thing, which is like the most important thing you should invest in, is yourself. Yes, you don't hear a lot of that. People are like, invest in Bitcoin, invest in real estate, invest in Forex, stock market, this, that. But the most important investment you make on earth, I'm not that spiritual. On earth here is investing in yourself. You can't lose money when it comes to investing with yourself. You can't lose because that investment always stay with you. Regardless of wherever you are, where you are going to, where you're going to find yourself in the future, whatever you've invested in yourself is still going to be there. So if you somehow appear in another country with no asset, no money, nothing, you'd only have what you have invested in yourself. Now, what do I mean? What do I mean by investing in yourself? Now, if you do not have money currently, you don't have money, or you are making below 150,000 a month, you should focus on yourself. Like, you're making 50K a month, especially if you're like below 100K, you're like 50, 70K. Focus on investing on yourself. What do you do when you're investing in yourself? You buy books. Very important. You can buy a book for 1,000 naira, and the information you get from that book can make you 3 million. In fact, the information you get from that book can make you 3 million every year till you die, if you follow what is in that book. And then how much you spend? 5,000, 3,000. That is investment. You can, if you invest in a book, you can buy a book. Like, I am average of all the books I've read. Like, if you see me open, you just see this book and that book and that book. That's what has built me to where I am, and that's what is building me to where I'm going to. Reading books. There's the cliche phrase, readers are leaders, and leaders are readers. But you cannot underrate the importance of reading. Very, very important. You need to get books. At this stage, if you're investing in yourself, you need to get books. You need to get courses. By courses, there are free courses on YouTube. You don't have money, free courses on YouTube. Lots of informational video. You need to get as much knowledge as you can. Buy courses online. Check YouTube, check Coursera, check the different sites that sell courses. Take those courses. Build a skill. Now, when you are reading those books, you are taking those courses, let it be around a skill. Not just reading for fun. Not just reading because, oh, it's cool. Read to build a skill, because today's market is a skill-based market. Everybody wants to know, what can you do for me? If you come to my company, I'm going to ask you on interview day, what can you do for me? What are you going to do for me? If I'm paying you because of what you can do for me. If anybody's giving you money, it's because of what you can do for them. I help people make money, that's why they pay me. So what can you do for people? So focus on building yourself at this stage. That's the most important investment you can make. Investing in yourself. Buy courses, buy book, and also build relationship. Very important at this stage. Build relationship. People don't talk about this, but it's another very important investment you can make. Know people. Know people. People say things about connection. I'm going to do a video later on how to build connection. Like connection, and they make it sound like one evil thing that you should never have. That it's only bad people that have connection. See, my dear, you need connection. It's not just a Nigerian thing, it's a global thing. Relationship is a currency. The way money is, people buy cars. Kupi posted a video recently of her Ferrari. Do you know what bought that Ferrari? It wasn't money. It was a relationship with her dad. The relationship she has with her dad bought her a Ferrari. What kind of relationships do you have? You need to build relationship at this level. Try to know as much people as you can. Build relationship, foster relationship, grow relationship. So the next thing you want to invest in, the second most important thing you can invest in is your career or business. So after investing in yourself, you need to start building your career or your business. If you have a career you're trying to grow, this is what you start doing at this phase. Now, at this phase, I'm expecting you're making up to 100,000 a month, naira, 100,000 naira a month. So you start looking at how do you build your career? How do you come out to be more responsible, looking more attractive career-wise? Or how do you grow your business? If you're a business person, how do you grow your business? This is not the time to start putting money into cryptocurrency, real estate, or any other thing you want to invest in. This is a time to now invest in your career or your business. So you look at taking professional courses, start packaging yourself career-wise, taking professional courses, taking professional trainings, just start making yourself look sort of an expert in your field. Start becoming an authority in your field. Your goal here is to raise that your income from about 100,000 to as close as 500,000 as possible. If not more, I would say shoot for 1 million, shoot for 2 million at this phase. Just try to make your monthly income up to 1 million or 500k at least. 300k is still fair, but 500k should be what you should be shooting for. So you're trying to grow your business, you'll be making up to 500k monthly. Trying to grow your career, so you'll be earning up to 500k monthly. So you do that by professional courses, taking courses in business, training yourself as a business person, putting money back into your business. Because most times in business, when you are building it, there's a phase you get to where you just need more money. You figured it out. You just need to put in more money to get more money. So you have to look at that. How do you get more money? So you take most of your money and reinvest it back into your business because it will give you the most return as at that stage. To give you the most return, you know that you need to max out your business, max it out that you get to a point where this is the highest and the best your business can be doing. So that's what you focus on stage 2, which is building your career or your business. So when you are done investing in yourself, investing in your career or business, the next thing you need to look at is cash flow. Investing in cash flow. This is trying to invest in things that make money for you without you working actively on it. That's where cash flow comes in, where you start making money. The goal is, if you've raised your income to up to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, is to also raise your cash flow to be as high as your income. So you know, okay, the kind of life you want to live, because you need to have the picture of the life you want to live. Very important. So you know how much you need to make to sustain that life. Do you want to be traveling around the world, or do you just like, living in Lagos, just a chilled life in Lagos? Be able to go to the cinema occasionally, go to Hard Rock Cafe and other fancy, nice places. Okay, fancy is a strong word. Nice places where you enjoy yourself occasionally. Yeah. So you need to figure out how much you need to sustain the kind of life you want to live. Then the goal now is work hard. First step, work hard to be making enough money actively to sustain that lifestyle. Now, when you are done with that, which is where step 1, step 2 come in place, the next phase is now work on passive income. So the money you are not working hard for grows to meet the money you are working hard for. So that's where investing into real estate comes in. Rental properties, investing into rental properties. This is where I am very focused on, investing into rental properties. So you take your money, invest into real estate, you become a landlord, start earning rental properties every year. You're collecting 500k, you're collecting 2 million, 10 million, 20 million. You have a target that, okay, I should be able to be collecting up to 5 million or 20 million or 30 million yearly till I die, or 20 million yearly for the next 20 years, which for some people watching this video is kind of like till you die. So you have to decide how much you're looking at. So always focus on that rental value. Now, why I recommend real estate, there are a lot of places you can invest your money in that give very ridiculous returns. But why I always recommend real estate is real estate can't go to zero. Now, after real estate, the next place I recommend will be stock market. But the problem with stock market is the company can close down and your entire money will be gone. That's just the only issue with stock market. But real estate can't just go to zero. The property is there. So you invest. It depends on how much you're having now. So it depends on the level you are. So the lowest way you can invest into rental income in real estate is long lease. Okay, that's not the cheapest way. Actually, short let. Short let is the cheapest way. With short let, you can, with $1 million, $2 million, in fact, with a spare bedroom in your house, you can start running short let and start making passive income. That's the cheapest way you can get into rental property. Secondly, will be long lease. Long lease is 15, 20 years, 10 years. You own the property, you collect rent for those number of years. Then you start buying your own property. Start buying properties. You buy a unit here, buy a unit there. You go there, buy a unit, studio apartment, a unit 2-bedroom. Then another way is you now own the whole building. That costs more, obviously. Like spend up to 50, 60, 70 million depending on where you are building or where you are buying. I have properties that it's cheaper. It's cheaper to buy, especially old buildings. Very, very amazing deal. A house worth of like 90 million. You can get the old building version of it for 50 million, renovate for 10, 20. You start making your rental income. So that's the third thing. This is when you can now start looking into different things you want to invest in. I would highly recommend rental real estate. So you try to grow your passive income to meet your end income. So you can sustain your life without having to go to work every day. Now, what this is not that, oh, you now retire to a beach and start smoking weed and living your best life. Well, that is there. But usually it's to give you the freedom to be able to do whatever you want. That's just what it's about. That's what wealth is all about. Freedom to be able to live the life you want by doing whatever you want. So you only have to do what you love. If regardless of what you do, you are making certain amount of money every year which can sustain your life, you don't have to do what you don't love to make money. You just do whatever you love. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can comment in the section below. Like and share with your friends. There are a lot of your friends that need to hear this. Maybe the ones that are pressured. If you have a friend pressured to invest that doesn't have enough money to invest, send them this video. It's quite disastrous to invest when you don't have the money to invest. So share this video. Then if you want to talk to me directly, you have a question, there'll be a link. If you're watching this on YouTube only, there'll be a link down below where you can click and book a call with me. Thank you very much. I'm Bright. See you next time.